Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Subtraction.
What does the dictionary say?
The operation or process of finding the difference between two numbers or quantities, denoted by a minus sign.
Math rap.
Define subtraction, and you'll take away this fact, understanding that no one can subtract. Take something away from another that's relative, even if the number ends up negative.
Math rap.
Two submarines fell in love at first sight. It was instant subtraction. List times where you have to use subtraction in everyday life. How many minutes were subtracted from your day doing this task? What are your thoughts on subtraction? What are your takeaways? How weird is this? Subtracting a negative number is like adding a positive. -4 minus -2 equals -2. What? Why? Draw a number line to help explain. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!